Hello kids, today we learn English number 1, 2, 3. Color name red color, brown color, green color, orange color, light green color, blue color, red color 1, number 1, brown color number 2, 2, green color number 3, 3, orange color number 4, 4, light green color number 5, 5, blue color number 6, 6, red color number 7, 7, brown color number 8, 8, green color number 9, 9, orange color number 10, 10,